Okay, like I said, I'm going to be fast with the HTML. First of all, I've created a boilerplate, and then from there I'm creating two bows. This will be useful, I tell you. Then from that, a form wrapper. From a form wrapper, I need to create a heading. After the heading, I'm creating a form. Then input wrapper, there will be a label and an input of username. And then from there, I'm going to create another input wrapper for the password, because it's a login page, so you need username and password. From there, I'm going to create a submit. Okay, so that's the HTML code we need for now for this page. Let's just see how it looks in the browser. This HTML looks in the browser. Okay, so that's how our code looks in the browser, and as you can see, it doesn't look anything fancy or interesting. So now we need to style it to fit the video I showed you, or to fit the one I showed you in the beginning. So let's open our CSS. Very simple CSS. It's a blank document, so we're going to style it right now.